So the other day, I came across an application in Play Store so cool that I had to give it a spin and thought to show it off to you guys. So welcome to EVM Official Mouse, the future of gesture controls. Well, this is an application to download for free on Play Store for most of the Android smartphones out there. So what it does is it scans your face using the front facing camera of your phone. It looks for your face within a certain frame and then it will move the mouse depending on the movement of your face. It works up to a range of 50 centimeters. So you don't need to be too close to your phone for using this application. But it requires a big set of permissions to run, so review them carefully before installing. But it is so accurate once installed. Moving your head even slightly causes pretty precise movement of the mouse. It's really amazing how well this application takes advantage of the front camera. One thing to keep in mind though, you need to have your face exposed to light. I mean, having the light source behind your face won't work. It's obvious considering it uses the camera to track your face. And it works best if there's high contrast between you and the background. But the failure rate is negligible. So it's most useful to me on those moments when I am reading something on my phone but being too lazy to scroll the page with my hands. And also, pressing the cursor steady for a few seconds counts as a click. You also get the long click option there. Now, after installing the application, you need to go through the setup process first. It's a bit long, but the fruit it gives is pretty sweet. Allow EVA Facial Mouse in accessibility, then give the permissions it requires to work. Now, one thing to note there, this app doesn't work with any third-party keyboards as of now. So you have to go to language and input settings and use the built-in keyboard that comes bundled with this app. Now go through the setup process and complete it. For the sensitivity, I prefer the default one. But don't worry, you can change it later in the settings. So for that, go to Settings, Accessibility, EVA Facial Mouse, and you find Settings on the top right corner. It's very customizable. For instance, you can change how much time it waits to count as a click or even the area that the cursor covers. Well, I had to practice a bit to get used to it and navigate through my phone using facial motion. But it took me less time to adapt this than I expected. So guys, that's pretty much it. It's really one of the coolest apps I have seen. So go ahead, give it a try and put your experiences in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. And with that being said, I'm Sonal from TechPro360 and I'm signing off.